Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Ian, Dior, Tattoos, and You. So this is a very straightforward song. We have the same chord progression pretty much through the entire song. We love that scenario. We have a capo on the second, and that's what we need. Let's go into the chords, and we're going to start with E minor. So that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. G next, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and finally we have D. We're gonna use this C-shaped version of it, and that goes fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. And with that D, we're gonna add on a single note, which will be sometimes only, and that will be on the 6th fret A string. Okay, it will be in combination with this D, and you will just fall in with your little pinky there on the 6th fret A string, and that's what you need to know to handle the song. Now let's go into the song here, and yeah, we're gonna look into two different ways of playing this, two different strumming styles, and I showed you both here in this introduction. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, one string around will be about 4 fast downs. So notice I'm playing 8 here, so that means 2 string rounds per chord. So E minor 2, C2, G2, and D2. And every other time you're gonna play D1 and then this added note 1 as well. So first round you're gonna play E minor 2, C2, G2, and D2. Next round, you're gonna play E minor 2, C2, G2, D1, and the added note 1. So that will be, the next round will be like this. All right, if that makes sense. And that is the first way of playing this song. And the second way of playing this with this other strumming pattern will be to play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play with E minor now, down, a short pause, and then up, up, down, up. So if you choose to go with this strumming, then you would play just 1 per chord. So and the next round there, because remember, every other time you're gonna add this single note to the D. How are you gonna handle that? Yes, you're gonna play like this again. So you're gonna play the first down in the strumming on the standard D, and then the rest up, up, down, up, you add this extra note. If you want, you can also add on a third way of handling this, and I showed you that also in the introduction here with this clap. So if you choose to go with the clap, then you have to go with this second style of playing the down, up, down, up. You will play like this. Okay, so that means you're gonna play down, then clap, and then up, up, and then comes clap again that replaces that down. Okay, so down, clap, up, clap, up. So in this chord progression, it goes like this. And again, on this added note thing, you're gonna play the D, down, clap, and then you add up, up, clap, up with this pinky extra. And that, my friends, is how to handle the song. It goes like that from the beginning till the end. We end yours, Tattoos, and You. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to leave a comment here, thumb up this tutorial, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for your support, and play tuned.